If you're on the market for a new blender, then you've probably considered the Vitamix A2300 and the Vitamix A3500. But which is right for you? And most importantly, what are the key differences? I'll explain everything you need to know in just a sec. But first, make sure to click the links in the description below to check the current price for each of these products, as the cost can often change. And with that said, let's get straight into this Vitamix A2300 versus a 3500 comparison. When it comes to blending power, both the Vitamix A2300 and A3500 pack a punch. You'll find a robust 2.2 peak horsepower motor in each model, capable of pulverizing even the toughest ingredients. The blade design is identical for both blenders. They feature laser-cut stainless steel blades that can handle everything from smoothies to hot soups. You'll appreciate how these blades maintain their sharpness over time, ensuring consistent performance. Where the A3500 gains an edge is in its preset programs. You can choose from 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. This takes the guesswork out of blending times and speeds. The A2300, while lacking built-in presets, still offers variable speed control. You can manually adjust the speed to achieve your desired texture. It's worth noting that both models are compatible with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, which provides additional recipes and programs. For ice crushing and frozen desserts, both blenders excel. You'll be able to create snow-like crushed ice and velvety sorbets with ease. The A3500's preset for frozen desserts might give you more consistent results, but the A2300 can achieve similar outcomes with manual control. In terms of hot soups, both blenders can heat ingredients through friction. The A3500's preset makes this process more hands-off, while the A2300 requires you to monitor blending time. When it comes to blending capacity, both the Vitamix A2300 and A3500 pack a punch. These powerhouses come equipped with identical 64-ounce low-profile containers. You'll find them spacious enough to whip up family-sized batches of your favorite smoothies or soups. The containers are crafted from BPA-free material, ensuring your blends are safe and healthy. Their low-profile design is a smart choice, making it easier for you to store these blenders under most kitchen cabinets. The self-detect feature is pretty nifty. It allows the base to recognize which container you're using, adjusting blending times and speeds accordingly. When you compare the Vitamix A2300 and A3500, you'll notice they share a similar sleek, modern aesthetic. Both blenders feature a sturdy base made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and stability during operation. You'll find the control panel is where these models diverge. The A2300 sports a simple, straightforward interface with a variable speed dial and pulse switch. In contrast, the A3500 boasts a more advanced touchscreen panel with 5 pre-programmed settings for added convenience. The A3500 takes it a step further with its programmable timer, allowing you to set precise blending durations. This feature is particularly useful for recipes requiring specific blending times. When it comes to operating the Vitamix A2300 and A3500, you'll find some notable differences in their controls and user-friendliness. The A2300 features simple, tactile controls with a variable speed dial and pulse switch. This straightforward setup is easy to grasp and use right out of the box. The A3500, on the other hand, boasts a sleek touchscreen interface. While this looks modern and minimalist and works really well, it might take a bit of getting used to if you're more accustomed to traditional buttons. Both models offer variable speed control, giving you precise blending power. However, the A3500 ups the ante with 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. These one-touch programs can be a real time saver if you're a frequent blender. The A2300's simplicity makes it a great choice if you prefer a no-frills approach. You'll have full manual control over your blending which some users find more intuitive. However, if you're tech-savvy or enjoy automated features, you might prefer the A3500. Its touchscreen and preset programs can streamline your blending process, especially for frequently made recipes. The Vitamix A2300 and A3500 both pack impressive smart features, but there are some key differences to note. Both models feature variable speed control, a pulse function, a built-in digital timer, and self-detect technology. The A3500 goes a step further with its programmable timer. Set it and walk away. The blender will automatically shut off when the cycle is complete. Connectivity is another shared trait. Both blenders are Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to access 17 programs and over 500 recipes via the Vitamix app. While the A2300 offers solid smart functionality, the A3500's touchscreen and built-in presets give it an edge in user-friendliness and convenience.